guys, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this super cute Jerry curly wig. This hair is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, and install this unit. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye!
Reesie, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a wig cap, some clips, some eyelashes, and a hair wrap. This unit is a 24-inch Jerry curly human hair wig. She is thick at 180% density. She's a 13x4 lace frontal unit with a transparent lace. She also has adjustable straps and combs. So let's start customizing this unit. So I have my Clairol 40 volume developer, my quick blue powder, and my Adore rich eggplant. So make sure you mix the powder and the developer very thickly, so make sure it is a thick consistency, and then add a couple drops of that purple dye. This will help make the lace look more realistic. And then here I'm getting my Got To Be Glue Blast Free Spray to take all the little baby hairs back so I can avoid over bleaching. And then here I just apply the bleach to the wig, and then I add foil. Make sure you let that sit for about 30 minutes. The knots was a little thick, so it did take some time, and then wash it out with some purple conditioner. This is the next day, air dried, and here I'm going to do the arrogant tape method with the towel, and then here I'm going to work on one side of the frontal, and here I'm doing zigzag parting so it can look more natural. I actually like this method a lot better, and hopefully you guys try it out. Let me know down below if you guys tried out this method, because I've been mentioning it probably 2 times now. But yeah, always switch up your methods. If one method doesn't work for you and doesn't look too realistic, maybe try a different one. And also look at other creators and how their techniques are, if some techniques don't work for you. But here I'm taking my hot comb and just making sure everything looks and blends perfectly. So I have one side done, and now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. This is basically my technique. So I do one side first and then the other side first, like the ears, and then I finish it off in the middle, because the middle of your head is where you least should pluck your unit, because that's where you're going to be parting your hair, and you don't want to over pluck too much in the front part of your unit, only on the sides. So once you're finished plucking, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses concealer and apply that concealer inside the frontal as well as on the perimeter of the frontal. So now it is time to install this unit. I'm taking my Eben 24-hour anti-itch scalp treatment. It's in peppermint. I got the peppermint one and the tea tree one, and let me tell you, doing this under my wigs has helped tremendously, especially during the winter months, from like an itchy, dry scalp. So if you have like severe itchy scalp and then you flake, try doing this oil, and also invest in a moisturizer that you can put on your hair so you can avoid your scalp flaking up, and making sure your hair is hydrated, because when it's hydrated it grows faster. So here I applied my mesh cap, and then I applied some more of that Ruby Kisses concealer on my cap as well. And then here I'm going to apply this very big bold unit. I like to cut the ear tabs off first before applying the glue, making sure everything is measured out. And now I'm taking some Bold Hold and just applying probably 2 layers. 2 layers works best for me, and it lasts for about a week or so. Make sure you put as little as you can and then get your popsicle stick and apply that to your skin and flatten it out as much as you can. This will increase the drying time by a lot. So make sure you like have some type of tool to flatten out your, or I don't know how to say it. Like, just to spread out the product so it can dry faster. And then once it's clear all the way, you're going to add your elastic band. So y'all, I don't have any music for you today. I need to go back on a, hunt for some more music. So you're just going to hear my voice and like some vibey music in the background. I am so excited to be presenting you guys some more wig tools, not wig tools, but wig products. I have it shipping to my house. Finally. So look forward to that, you guys. Show some love and support. Follow my hair page, Reesie Wigs. That is where you're going to get a lot of the updates of when I sell wigs and all of my custom made bonnets, elastic bands, wax sticks, melting sprays, all of that. Yo girl is expanding, and I'm so happy that you guys are a part of this journey with me. Yes. But back to this hair tutorial. I cut this hair a little bit shorter because I feel like Jerry curly wigs only looks cute when it's like short. When it's very long, I'm a small girl, so I can't do like very long curly wigs, like super curly wigs, because the wig is gonna wear me and I'm trying to wear the wig, okay? So yeah, I had to cut this unit a little bit shorter. I just like how short curly hair looks on me. And then I got a lot of compliments on Instagram from y'all, so I had to show you the tutorial on how I did it. And then here I just braid up the hair and then add my wig dealer melting spray in between the hairline and the edges. This will help have that ultimate wig melt for you. But quick tip, make sure it's dry before you apply your band again, okay? Make sure each step is dry, okay? I can't say that enough, because then you're gonna have white residue and it's not gonna look cute. But here I let it sit for maybe like 5 minutes, took the elastic band off, and then here I'm taking some alcohol wipes to loosen up my baby hairs, and then hot combing those baby hairs down, cutting the baby hairs down a little bit, and then taking my my pencil flat iron to curl my baby hairs, just so it can make it easier to create a nice C shape baby hair. Okay, I love the fluffy baby hairs. A lot of people don't like it. That's your prerogative. Me, I am a baby hair girl. Okay, baby hair girl. I'm taking this hairspray, Vita E. I'm gonna try to find the link, but I got this at Sally's. So yeah, a lot of you've been asking what hairspray I use. I use that. It's nothing great about it in my opinion, but I'm just using it until it runs out, and then I'm probably gonna try something different. But yeah, just use any hairspray that's like very light and not too like strong like got to be. But this is the final result. This is the hair about 4 hours later after it's been, wet. So this is fully dried, and this is how it looks. So gorgeous. Thank you so much, Klaiyi Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, so